Gopher plant, Euphorbia biglandulosa, how to grow and care. Gopher plant, also called Silver Spurge, is an attractive succulent that thrives in hot, dry climates. It is native to the Mediterranean, the Middle East, and South Africa, generally considered a weed and a nuisance. Gopher plant falls under the Euphorbia species of succulents. This plant adds great accent and beauty to your lawn and landscapes, as well as a variety of planting setups, including pots, around pools, rock gardens, and desert landscapes. Additionally, the gopher plant's natural spreading makes it ideal for hillsides and slopes. Maintenance and care. The gopher plant is exceptionally hardy, and it multiplies in ideal conditions. It's a low-maintenance plant, and it tolerates drought conditions very well. Gopher plant thrives in full sun to partial shade. After the plant flowers, prune the dry stems and flowers. Ensure that you prune gopher plants periodically to enhance plant growth. The plant produces a white sap when cut or broken. This sap is toxic when consumed. Gopher, being a Mediterranean plant, will die quickly if the soil does not easily drain. This plant prefers hot summers with an irregular watering schedule. Like many Mediterranean plants, overwatering will kill the gopher plant, as too much water remaining in its soil will promote diseases and fungal growth, which fatally affects the roots. Dangers and toxicity. When cut or broken, the plant produces a white sap. This sap is toxic if consumed and causes severe skin irritation. Hence, keep your pets and children away from this plant, especially when the liquid is visibly present. Pest and diseases. It overgrows, reaching over 3 feet wide by 2 feet tall. It has a fitted spiral of thick leaves surrounding its stems. As the plant ages, it turns greenish tan. Growth and size. It overgrows, reaching over 3 feet wide by 2 feet tall. It has a fitted spiral of thick leaves surrounding its stems. As the plant ages, it turns greenish tan. The plant is beautiful, narrow bluish-green leaves that bloom bright yellow in late winter to early spring. Soil type. The gopher plant is not very particular about the type of soil. Likewise, gopher plants are not specific about the pH levels of the soils, as they do well in a variety of soil types. The only soil condition required is it should drain well. The gopher plant prefers well-drained soil conditions and requires infrequent irrigation, especially during warmer months. However, do not overwater, as this will lead to branches dying off, and eventually, the roots will rot. Light and climate. Gopher plants prefer exposure to full sun to part shade. However, they can tolerate a wide variety of climate conditions. This plant may develop tip necrosis on older leaves when placed in saltier soil conditions, although it thrives in poor soil conditions. Gopher plants does not require frequent watering, preferably twice a month during summer and a few more times during the fall when the outside temperatures fall or it gets cooler. This action will prevent the plants from self-seeding and spreading to areas that they are unwanted. Uses and decorations. Gopher plants add great accent and beauty to your lawn and landscapes, as well as a variety of planting setups, including pots, around pools, rock gardens, and desert landscapes. They are also suitable in beds, borders, and in situations where you need ground cover. In addition, gopher plants do very well in containers and pots with other cold, hardy, and drought-resistant plants. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.